be sharing with you how I got rid of my clogged pores right in my ear. You know, I love creating content about my ear. So today I'm gonna share with you these lovely remedies on how I got rid of unclogged pores. But before going into this video, you know what I am actually referring to. Clogged pores could be formed as a result of sebum. That's the oil that is being secreted on the skin. It could be formed as a result of accumulation of that sebum, okay? Then accumulation of dates and accumulation of dead skin cells. So once these three things come in contact with each other, once it's joined with each other, it forms clogged pores in any open pore, either in your ear or your face. But today I'm actually specifying on ears. So how to get rid of this clogged pores is what I'm gonna tell you and share with you, which I'm gonna be using my home remedies, my lemon and other home remedies to get rid of clogged pores. So please, if today is the first time of coming by, consider subscribing to my channel. And as well, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found the video interesting and helpful. Don't forget to share it with your friends as well and family members on those that about clogged pores, for those that have actually been complaining of clogged pores, especially in their ear. And as well, don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So let's get into this video. Unclog your ears fast and naturally. You know, a clogged ear can be quite annoying and sometimes even painful. So it can occur because of many reasons, such as change in altitude, excessive earwax buildup, or even because of an ear infection. So the next thing is, many simple home remedies can help clear the clogged ear and relieve pain. A warm compressed olive or garlic oil and even the Valsalva Maneuver can help to get rid of clogged ears. So you can easily get rid of clogged ears by doing the Valsalva Maneuver, which helps relieve stiffness and pain in the ear. And as well, if the ears are clogged due to wax buildup inside the ears, you can use olive oil, which helps to soften the ear wax and it can be removed easily. So olive oil is super good. The next remedy is alcohol and apple cider vinegar, which combination of this can destroy any bacterial infection that may be causing clogged pores. The natural remedy again is warm compress, which is an excellent natural treatment for clogged ears associated with cold and sinus congestion. So the heat from a warm compress helps to clear the congestion, unclog the ear, and reduce pain in the ear. Inhaling steam is a simple method to clear clogged ears resulting from a cold. So the steam helps to thin and loosen the mucus, which in turn provides relief from clogged ears. Steam, which can also loosen earwax that causes clogging in your ear. The next remedy is hydrogen peroxide. You can use hydrogen peroxide to unclog ear blocks by wax accumulation, and as well gargling warm salt water, which is another effective way to get relief from a congested ear caused by an ear infection. The salt helps to unblock the eustachian tube, which is linked to your throat. Then the next one is garlic oil. Is another natural antibacterial remedy to unclog the ears. The warm garlic oil helps to loosen the congestion in the ear, and the garlic kills any infection causing germs. So today I'm gonna stop here. Now that I'm done sharing these lovely tips, remedies, natural remedies on how to get rid of clogged pores in your ears, that's how to unclog pores in your ear. So, and I'm sure you've gotten more of the information and as well the remedies, which you need to try this remedy. And don't forget to go close to where you're seeing this video. That's where you're supposed to drop your comments on what you feel about this video, where you're supposed to drop your comments on the remedies you're about going for, and where you're supposed to drop your comments on what you think about using this natural remedies after using it. So today I'm gonna stop here, and please don't forget to share this video Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So I'm gonna stop here and love you guys all. Bye bye.